Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PS5 screen flickering. First, let's start with the basics. Make sure your HDMI cable is firmly plugged into both your PlayStation 5 and your display. A loose connection is a common culprit. Next, try swapping out your current HDMI cable for a new, high-quality one, ideally an HDMI 2.1 cable, as older cables might not support the PlayStation 5's full capabilities. Finally, connect your PlayStation 5 directly to your TV, bypassing any intermediate devices like soundbars or capture cards to isolate the problem. Now, let's dive into your PlayStation 5 system settings. Go to Screen and Video and set your resolution to automatic. This allows your console to choose the best output for your display. If you have 120 Hz output enabled, try disabling it, especially if your TV isn't a high refresh rate model. Also, temporarily turn off HDR, high dynamic range, in the same menu. Sometimes, compatibility issues with HDR can cause flickering, and disabling it can help diagnose the problem. Moving on to your display, it's crucial to check its settings. Look for any game mode or input lag reduction features that might be causing conflicts. Sometimes, these can introduce visual glitches. More importantly, make sure your television or monitor's firmware is completely up to date. Manufacturers often release updates that fix display compatibility issues. As a last resort for display settings, try resetting your TV or monitor's picture settings to their factory defaults. This can often clear up any unusual configurations. If the flickering continues, we'll move to more advanced steps. First, try rebuilding your PlayStation 5's database. To do this, start your console in safe mode and select the option to clear cache and rebuild database. This can resolve corrupted data issues. If that doesn't work, consider a factory reset of your PlayStation 5, but remember to back up all your important game saves and data beforehand. If, after all these steps, the screen flickering still persists, it's time to contact PlayStation support for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.